reckon he hated perfection more than us? You suppose he wanted to kill himself?
Come on, somebody must have chased him up there.
What, you mean someone ain't scared of a Winchester rifle? Then what'd they do? Camp out down below and just wait for him to die? What the hell?
What the shit? Hey, Fred! Hey there, old Fred!
Hey, Fred! Fred. This is weird.
This is real weird.
Ah, Jesus!
What the hell's going on? I mean, what the hell is going on?
Get the hell out of here! There's a killer on the loose! What? A murderer, man, a real psycho! He's cutting people's heads off! I'm not kidding! They're pulling our chain! Yeah.
Be doing it. I'm not accusing anybody. I'm just saying, some of my cattle are missing.
Are you serious? Old Fred's dead?
Do something like that.
Come on, you're bullshitting me right
I
now.
mean, that's
What happened,
sick.
Fred?
No worse than Edgar.
What happened to Edgar?
You won't believe it.
I need one of those candy bars.
I believe this. The phone is dead. Walter, your phone is dead.
I didn't do it.
Nectar, what's happening? Somebody killed old Fred.
Hey, dude, what's going on?
Now look, Val, you gotta get to Bixby, and you gotta get the police up here, and you gotta step on it. Consider it stepped on. Man, we decided to leave this place just one damn day too late, you know?
Yeah, well, sure as hell nothing to stop us now. Everybody we know between here and Bixby's already dead. Look out! Is there some higher force at work here? I mean, are we asking too much of life?
What the hell are these guys? What are they doing? Blasting? Hey! Where are you guys? It's not like there's another road, asshole! Phil! Jesus, I don't believe this.
You hung up.
I am not.
You hung up, I tell you! You're gonna bring this much! You know, you can break an axle like that.
Could you shut up?
Hey, I don't need to spend the night out here.
Cry, baby.
Could it have been coyotes?
No way.
Nah, coyotes didn't kill Fred.
Hey, it's Val and Earl.
We're torn to pieces.
They shouldn't be here already.
Thought you two were in Bixby by now.
You'll never gonna believe this. Canyon Road, we were on it not 2 hours
Oh
ago.
my God. Oh, Bert, be careful.
Yeah, real. Where'd you get it?
I don't know he had it.
Disgusting.
Have a snake?
More like an eel to me.
High eels live in the water, don't they?
Big mother slug.
Don't touch, don't touch.
Relax. It's dead. Hey, it must have grabbed us. That's why the truck stalled out.
Next time I tell you I'm not hung up.
Hey, wait, this stalled out your truck? Have to be one strong son of a bitch.
Stinks too.
I'd give you boys $5 for this.
20.
Okay, 10.
15.
Okay, 15.
Damn right, 15.
I don't believe you guys.
Could be a snake. Some kind of mutation.
Yeah.
Whatever it is. Just one of these could need up Fred in his old flock of sheep.
So you think there are more of them out there?
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.